Hello, bienvenidos. This is Cindy Hoffman with the Success Real Estate Professionals at Keller Williams Realty. You will love 4262 Ceres Court in the Pueblos at Alameda Ranch. This home features an east-facing backyard with spectacular unobstructed Organ Mountain views, 27 solar panels, 2x6 construction, and other energy-efficient features. 4262 Ceres Court was a custom-built home with gorgeous wood beams and tile work and lots of other designer touches and architectural features. This home features an open, split-bedroom floor plan with office and 3-car garage. The gourmet kitchen in this home features a very large breakfast bar, newer Samsung appliances including a convection oven, French door refrigerator, stainless steel dishwasher, and microwave. There is also custom granite countertops and a granite sink. With the bowed windows and skylights, the dining area and kitchen are so light and bright, which is a wonderful contrast to the deep, rich, dark cabinets and the beautiful granite countertops. The master bedroom suite is equally as special. Once again, you have bowed windows with beautiful, unobstructed Organ Mountain views. You also have a French door that leads out to the cool and calming patio. The master bedroom has been recently remodeled with new carpet and paint. In the master bath, you will find double sinks with beautiful designer mirrors, a jetted tub with glass block behind, and of course the same granite countertops as in the kitchen. In a separate wing of the home, you will find 2 guest bedrooms and a hall bath with gorgeous tile work and handicapped accessible hardware. 4262 Ceres Court sits on a lot that is just a little larger than a 1/4 acre, and once again features those gorgeous Organ Mountain views. Behind the home, you have no backyard neighbors and just lots and lots of desert land owned by the Bureau of Land Management and the state of New Mexico. Remember, this home comes with 27 solar panels, so even in the hottest months of the summer, you can run your cool refrigerated air and never have an electric bill. A community pool is available to all residents, lot owners, and their guests. When you purchase a home in the gated pool community of the Pueblos at Alameda Ranch, you will live less than 5 miles from both the Sonoma Ranch and Red Hot Golf Clubs and an easy commute to NASA, White Sands Missile Range, shopping centers, and hospitals. As you can see from this video, when you buy 4262 Ceres Court, you can have it all. please call Cindy Hoffman at Keller Williams Realty for a private showing. 575-528-9570.